video, we will discuss the latest update from the GST portal regarding auto-populated liabilities in GSTR 3B and what it means to the taxpayer. You definitely don't want to miss this if you are a taxpayer who is filing your GSTR returns regularly. This update might just change the game for you. Let's see what the update is. In order to assist the taxpayer and reduces the human error, GST portal has been auto-populating the GSTR 3B. And so far there was you had an option to edit the GSTR 3B from the auto-populated one, and where the tax liability is auto-populated from GSTR 1 and GSTR 1A and IFF, and the tax liability is auto-populated from GSTR 2B. A detailed system-generated PDF of GSTR 3B was also provided to the taxpayer. Now the taxpayer have a facility to amend the incorrectly filed GSTR 1 in or IFF through GSTR 1A, allowing them an opportunity to correct their errors which they had done in filing GSTR 1. Additionally, from this, the taxpayer have the option to manage their ITC from by using invoice management system. They can accept, reject or keep it pending for whatever the details their seller has been updated. So by using this, they can also manage their input tax credit details. From January 2025, the GST department is coming up with a new update as the auto-populated details of GSTR 3B cannot be changed, and if you want to make any changes in the GSTR 3B which is auto-populated, you can make it using the IMS or the GSTR 1A. That is, if you have any if you want to make any changes on the tax liability, you can use the form GSTR 1A to edit the details which you have entered in GSTR 1 and before filing the GSTR 3B. So the tax liability detail will be auto-populated in GSTR 3B. If you want to edit the ITC details which has been auto-populated, you can use the IMS portal, and so that you can accept or reject or keep the any file pending, so that input tax credit in the 3B will change and you can file your GSTR 3B return filing. However, the locking of auto-populated details in 3B will be rolling out after the IMS. In the later period, there will be a separate advisory will be issued after addressing the issue related to IMS from the taxpayer. If the taxpayer is facing any issues with the IMS, they can inform it to the GST department. So the GST department will come up with an additional advisory to resolve your issue with the IMS portal. So the date has been extended to January 2025. That is the locking of the GSTR 3B auto-populated details. This is the new update from GST portal. If you need any consultation regarding GST or any GST related work, you can contact me. I will be assisting for you, and my contact details has been provided in the description box. And I am also conducting a GST online course, practical online course. If anybody of you are interested in enrolling, you can contact me. I am conducting a GST practical online course for the interested candidates, and I will be coming up with more updated videos and GST related videos in my channel. So stay tuned to Unique Soul Tax Solutions for more informative videos. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.